Hello, precious family. Welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Now this year, Mami Mobi Biara Akwaba. And then nearby Bayani as simple as always. Mashed plantain. Yes, ripe mashed plantain. Yeah, near my baby yusunini. Me wo cocoa, ewa ha ripe plantain. Me wo dill, carrots, eggs, salted fish, kobe, salt wa ha inchine. Me wo butter. 3 tablespoons, and a sweet bell pepper red, and a jalapeno peppers too. Ewa ha. Last summer, na me DI, na me store share freezer. I still have some. Okay. So me want me boiling water wa ha. I made the name in egum. Next is the kobe, the salted, and comes our carrots. Because of kobe nintin minfa inchinen kahwansa. And then the next one is the eggs. Go inside. It's ready. And kobe. Sissy, yeah, babe. Yummy and carrots, no. Okay. Tini adi yang butter na too. Okay, this is a yeshi yen jene and a yen peppers nego. Ya tossa ne kakra bige. This is yeah, the embroidery. Little bit of salt. See, me try del no. It be a gum. Saying, me de me peppers no. Every count. Ramo, I so cool. Smells so good with the veggies. Me canning in Afra. Na kashe na ne deno. Na ne deno. Anya easy. Thanks for watching. Me da was se wa hwe me. Pacho ma remfi se obe share video no. Obe like it. Na wa comment it. Subscribe so unsubscribing so yeah. God bless you for doing that. Love you from Ahobrasia Kitchen.